You have something to ask? I have nothing to tell you. Which class? Yesterday you heard. If you have something to ask, you can ask. What do you want to learn from? Why are you here? So what you want, you should know, right? I didn't hear. Louder. Maths. What do you want in maths? Maths is a big subject. I cannot finish, right? You want tricks in maths? What is that you want?
Yes.
You want tricks in maths?
Yes.
Simple tricks or difficult tricks? How many of you hate maths? See, you should have, don't look at somebody else. She hates. If I ask, how many of you are girls? Oh, she's a girl, I'm also a girl. Why do you have this doubt? You should tell them, only I can make it. I must know what should I select, right? I can make you to love maths if you hate maths. What level I should do is up to you. Or you ask your syllabus, I'll finish them. From your chapter you can ask. Tell me. You want to make it interesting?
Yes.
Something which is fun?
Yes.
Okay. 72 minus 27. 72 minus 27.
55.
How did you get? No, I want to know how did you get 55? I don't know in Goa, no. Sometimes it can be different.
45.
How did you get? Subtract. Actually not required. The number which I gave is write. I told you always you should write. That habit is should be there. Writing immediate. Then only the next word will become useful for you. Otherwise you will waste time in between writing. Did you write 72 minus 27?
Yes.
The beauty of the number is 72 reverse is 27. Digits reversed, right? Whenever there is a digit reversed, find the difference between those digits. 7 minus 2, 5. Multiply by 9. That's answer. Five into 4 is 5 multiply 4.
20.
5 multiply 5.
25.
Do you know 5 multiply by 9? When I asked you 5 multiply by 9, you should immediately come with an answer. Multiply by 9. What is the number?
45.
Simple, no? 64 minus 46. 6, 4. Reversed. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 into 9, 18. Finished. Got it? Maths is interesting. Nobody taught you like this, right? Now write 5 square dash. How much? 5 square? 15 square. 225. 225. 25 square. 25 square dash. What is the number? 625. 35 square. 2025. No. I want somebody to tell I am wrong. I want to see whether somebody is smart. What did I ask? 35 square. 35 square is 1225. 1225. 45 square. 2025. 55 square. 3025. 65 square. 4,225. Okay, I'll tell you. You want to tell like this easily. Now you look at all the number. 25 is common. What is the other number? Other number is when 25 square is found, 2, the next number is 3. Multiply 2 and 3, write 25. See, 25 square. 2, next number is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 625. 85 square. What is the next one? 75 square. In the sequence, 75 I did not tell. So 75. 7. Next number is 8. 7 into 8? 56. Correct? So 56, 25. 5,625. 95 square? 9. Next number is 10. 9 into 10, 90. 9,025. Now I knew how I am doing, you know, right? Easy or not? Maths is difficult or easy? It is very difficult if you don't know the trick. Maths is full of tricks. You did not learn the trick, become so difficult. Okay? Not same formula everywhere. For you different formula, for you different formula, for me. Like maths also different formula for different people. Different ways of doing things. Okay. Now you want another example? 32 multiply 28. Thirty-two multiply 28. You took long time. For me, Tim it will come. You know why? 28 is 30 minus 2. Now you write below 30 minus 2 in a bracket. 32 is 30 plus 2. So what did I ask you? Not 28 into 32. What I asked is 30 minus 2 into 30 plus 2. Did you learn a formula A minus B into A plus B is? Why did you learn? Why did you learn? Why did you learn? If you don't use it. So what I asked is 30 minus 2 multiply 30 plus 2. Therefore it becomes A square minus B square. 30 square minus 2 square. 30 square is 900 minus 4 896. So simple. Got it? That's how you should learn maths. Maths is trick. And if you don't know trick, difficult. Very simple. Most of the things can be done like this. Now what you do is, in most of the time when you have examination, you take long time to solve because you don't know how to look at the problem. I'll teach you how to look at a problem. Take a paper, make 10 by 10 matrix. What is 10 by 10 matrix? Draw the column like this fast. Not necessarily very beautiful, don't waste time in scale. See, almost parallel, right? Randomly if I draw it becomes almost parallel. And then draw 10 by 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now 11, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 91, 81, 71, 61, 51, 41, 30, 31, 21. Good enough. Now make a table like this. What you do is multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 you will see 9, 18, 27, 36, then 45, 54, 63, correct? Wrong? Somewhere I missed. Did I miss anything? So tell me fast. Correct or not?
Correct.
Are you writing or looking at this? 72, 81. See the pattern. All the multiplication tables up to 100, mark it like this. When the number comes, you will remember, oh, this is a multiple of 4, this is a multiple of 3, multiple of 2, you will remember all that. Multiple of 7, all that has got a pattern. Why is it required? When you have to divide some number, easily it comes to you, the answer will come. Your multiplication and division, addition, subtraction should become fast. How it can be made fast? Keep on doing some equations very fast. Now this is which month?
August.
Now up to August, July you don't require calendar. Now your calendar for August, September, October, November, December. Right, August, September, October, November, December, you write that. August, September, October, November, December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. I will give you calendar. The calendar is only 5 numbers. If you remember those 5 numbers, you can throw calendar out. It will be in your brain. Okay. This number is 3. September number is 6. October number is 1. November number is 4. December number is 6. So you only remember 3, 6, 1, 4, 6. Can you remember?
Yes.
3, 6.
1, 4, 6.
Finished. Your calendar is over. December 25. What is the use of calendar? When the date is given, you should not. This homework you can do. Write in different colors, put it there. Every time you see that for 10 days, you will remember. Okay. So 64 is a multiple of. Immediately it will come to 4 and 8. Because that 2 colors will come there, the table. Fine. That's how you will come. 36 is for 2, 3, 4 and 9. 32 is 8, 4. This is how I remember because picture is there with me. So fast you can do maths, right? Now I will tell you here. December 25. Date. Add the code number. This is the code. 6. I don't want the answer here. I want the reminder on when it is divided by 7. Divide the number. What is the number here? 31. Divide by 7. What you will get? 28 is a multiple of 7. Correct?
Yes.
So 29, 30, 31. What is the remainder? 3. If the remainder comes 3, remainder is 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday. Finished now? So remainder is 3, it is Wednesday. So do you require a calendar? Do you require a calendar? 25th is Wednesday. Now 12 numbers if you can by heart for 2025. 2025 calendar is with you, right? Do you want 2025 code? I'll make the code. This is for 2024. You want all the, it's easy to get. 2025. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Finished. I'll give you the code. January 2, February 5, March 3, April 1, May 3, June 6, July 1, August 4, September 0, October 2, November 5, December 2. Finished. Go. December 0. See, it's the next number. That's why I checked when I did wrong. 6 becomes 0, 4 becomes 5, 1 becomes 2, 6 becomes 0, 3 becomes 4. So you know 2024 also you can write, right? So at your age I made 100 years of calendar length. When I was in 9th class I had 100 years of calendar length. It's all repetition. When there is a February, jump to, that's it. Leap year. Otherwise just repeat. You can make a beautiful calendar 100 years. Somebody asks you, next year 25th December, 25 plus 0, 25 divided by 7, balance 4, so it becomes Thursday. Good now? You should use, now all of your birthdays, everything you don't have to remember. Remember the code of the month, finish. Maths is interesting. Correct? And without maths you can do nothing. Maths is the language of all the subjects. Language of physics. I am a mathematician, but my PhD is in physics. What I did is mechanical engineering. Mechanics of fluids. Fluid is, your blood is full of fluid, right? Or blood is fluid. So I know blood flow in arteries. Therefore I know biology. Because whenever you have a disease, first what they will test? Blood only, right? So you know how the blood flows? I know blood is flowing like this because I know mathematics. Social science with maths only. Otherwise no social science. Economics full of maths. Geography full of maths. You draw the earth picture. Picture of earth. Nobody can draw picture of earth. Okay. Why? Do you? Okay. Can you draw your face? Don't draw your face. Look at your friend's face and draw in a new page. Let us have some fun. Look at your friend draw their face. Yeah, it becomes energy now. See the smile. All maths are not smiling. Now face of the friend you smile. But I'll tell you maths in that. You asked maths, everything will be maths. Don't worry. Drawing also maths. Dance also maths. I'll dance with maths. I'll show you how to become a good dancer if you know maths well. Did you draw? Draw! That's an assignment. I'm going to come. I'll take pictures. Draw. Okay, I'll give you some clue so that the picture becomes good. I'll tell you. There is a basic rule of everybody's face. Most of them are oval, not round. Look at somebody. Are they oval? Normal or abnormal? Some abnormal face can be round. So it's maths, right? It's an ellipse. Most of the faces are elliptical ellipse. Got it? Now divide that into 3 pieces. Your eye ends exactly there. So what you can draw is eyes here. Whether it is bigger or smaller depends on. Now your lips comes here. So if you draw like this, you look at somebody's face, the face is like this, laughing. That is maths because the curve is, center is here, this is the curve. Now I want to make it as a sad face. What should I do? Are you getting what I am saying? The first thing what you should do is look at your friend whether they are smiling or sad. Now if it is smiling, eyebrow should be. Now if it is crying, what will happen? Eyebrow become reverse, lip become reverse. Now I will show you. Very simple, right? Expression comes from there. Now your eye is here. Definitely ear should come here because God has given a specs to post here so that your eye will be seen. I don't know why God does this. And your end of this ends at the lips. So the ear is between this to this. That's it. Learn. So simple, right? Yeah. Otherwise manufactured wrong. You cannot repair. So, what is maths? Observe. Understood? Observe. What is? How? Now, how did we learn? Observing. 25 multiples are like this. Observe. A mathematician's job is observe. Now you have seen similar triangle. You learn triangle, right? Don't you learn? Triangles you learn. Have you ever used it? The best method is, assume you have to draw the picture of the tower and the school building or some other building. What is to be done? You have to make a scale. Most of the time what happens is you draw something, the other one become big, this becomes smaller. Scaling is done. What is the scaling? You have learned similar triangle. What is similar triangle? Similar triangle is when you draw a picture, assume that there is a building. Now you are standing here, you wanted to draw this building. You cannot measure this, but you can measure it. That's what is called a trigonometry. You will learn next year. Yesterday I was doing it for 10th class. What you do? You will not meet me next year. So learn today. What are you going to do? I will use a small hollow. What did I do yesterday? I wrapped a paper and then used this to look at from here to the pillar, that big pole. Correct? There is a mast. What is that? Tower. So what do? Stand here, look at it. And same way what you do is, I stay here. I don't even have to do it. This is not required. Instead of that, I take this chalk and then look like this. Oh, I am scaling it. What am I doing? I am scaling it. Up to the end it should come, right? When I look at it, when I look from here, it should become at the end. So I am raising. Yeah, this is how it is. So this is the height. So I decided the height of the building is only this much. Look at like this. A good person who knows drawing, he will look at this. And the next building other than that, he'll raise it and say, ah, this is bigger. The next building is bigger. Now there is a tree there. What should be done? Easy to draw tree. How do you draw tree? Now you want to coconut tree? Got it? Now you look at the height of the coconut tree. You cannot go and measure. The house at the coconut tree different. So if you look like this, oh, you will draw a coconut tree bigger and the house smaller. The same miniature can be drawn. So it's all scaling. So a good drawing person needs lot of maths. And what am I doing actually? Whatever you learned, similar triangle. I am drawing a triangle here, and that small triangle is what I am measuring with this, and this is the original triangle. The distance is given here, and this, when I draw, what will happen? I will have to put the triangle like this, right? So I will draw a big tree here. The same thing when I draw, the house will be of this size. Are you seeing? And exactly scaling will happen. Simple. Now when you draw human picture, there is a rule which says the length of your hand will be equivalent to the height of the person, not only the body, the face, the body also have got a ratio. Any one of you come here? Stay closer to this wall. Did I tell you some English to understand? Any one of you come here, stand closer to this wall, one person. Put your one hand there, the other hand on the top. Stay close to that. Stand like this. Facing the wall. Facing the wall. Go there. Yeah, still. Touch the ground. Here in the wall so that it becomes easy for you. Yeah. Stretch maximum. Maximum. Yeah. Now you come and stay here. Your height will be exactly that. She touched it here, right? Height is exactly. So when you draw the hand, understood? When you draw the hand, the height of the person, if you know that, know the hand. Got it? It's called aspect ratio. What is it called? Aspect ratio. The ratio between the edge of the fingers to the head to the bottom will be same for most of the people who are manufactured well. Okay. Got it? Is it maths or not? So drawing is maths. Dance is maths. Who wants to dance? Who fond of dancing? I am sure all of you are fond of dancing, right? Somebody, some volunteering. Come fast. Don't look at somebody. Always you look at somebody else. One person. Come fast. All these are getting recorded. One person, come here fast. Otherwise go, class is over. Good enough. See, for me, have you seen the first column here? That column. That is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 2 1, 2 2. Let us not take a big one. Okay, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 2, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Now you are standing on 1 2. Fine. Now when I tell, your leg should go in different columns. Is it not maths? Moving from one column to another column. 3 1. No, 3 1 is that, no? Yeah, 3 1. Yeah. 2 1. 1 2. Keep on putting the number like this in a place and look at this is how I should move. Your movement is done. Now what you do is, this is the y-axis. Your y-axis. This is x-axis. So x equal to 0. Equation is called x equal to. You never learned x equal to 0 like this, right? This number line is called x is equal to 0. This is y equal to 0. Now x equal to y. Little maths also you should know, not just dance along. X equal to y is, look there. X equal to y. No, this is x equal to minus y. Reverse, x equal to y. X you measure, y you measure, 1 1, it will become like this, right? X minus 1, y minus 1. You have seen this quadrilateral equation, x equal to y, right? So this is x equal to y, this is x equal to minus y. Now x square plus y square is equal to 0, circle. Every dance poster can be converted into equations. Good. Every movement can be converted into a matrix. That is how in computer dance is formed. Computer, you can see people dancing, right? Simulation. Heard of this? What is called simulation? Animation? Graphics? AI? Full mathematics, equations. What you learn in your equations of lines, equations of curve, equations of parabola, everything is used. Got it? Do you want to become tomorrow some designer? Maths. Any drawing? Maths. Tailoring? Maths. Correct? Good cooking? Full of maths. You have to measure. Quantity has to be correct, right? 1 glass of water, quarter of milk, tea becomes strong. Lot of milk, less, depends. So you should know how to add things. You want to make idli or dosha? Rice 3 glass, 1 glass of dal, urdu dal. 3:1 ratio. You want to mix cement? 2:1. 2 sand, 1 cement. All these are ratio. What you are learning ratio is for not for fun. To use it in different engineering. You have a banana tree which is going to fall because the banana the fruit scale becomes heavy. You keep a support, it will fall still. Keep 2 pillars, it will fall. Give 3, it will not fall. 3 pillars. Triangle is stable. Basic elements in mathematics, triangle. Got it? If somebody is standing here, somebody pulls, they will go either here or here. Both people are pulling somebody, resultant motion. You will learn resultant motion. 2 angles, half cut will go. But somebody is pulling behind also, what will happen? It will not go anywhere. It will stay. That's why all the constructions you will have triangles, not square. You want to construct a building, they don't put 2 lines like this. Immediately they will put the grill here like this. Got it? Is it not maths? Civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics, everywhere you will see maths. Medicine, full of maths. Somebody goes and tests your heartbeat. What is drawing? Graph. ECG, graph. Brain is working or not? EEG, graph. Everything is. So what's my telephone number? 950203875. Brilliant children. Just now your 10th class children I taught maybe 30 countries and capitals in 10 minutes. All different countries and capitals you can learn very easily. All the subject topics very easily. Learning, repetition. You learn 10, you learn 10, you learn 10, sit together, repeat each other, 10 minutes you can learn 30. You decide, I am going to learn all the Asian countries, European countries, Australian, different segments, you try, come and sit here, discuss each other, finish. All your interval time should be used for learning like this. Then you will start enjoying. Got? Yeah, anything more? Ask, you should ask questions, then only I can, otherwise I can give something which, what you require you should tell. Yeah. Which subject you don't like, you have difficulty, you tell me, I will make you to learn. Physics. Physics is what is seen. Tell me which chapter. Movement. Movement. What is motion? Displacement. That is movement. That's what I am saying. It's movement. One place to another place. Move. That's it. What is there so much to learn? Eh? Problem is so simple. You have to visualize it. You have to see that. Convert that. Physics is always maths. Converting that to equations is the way you visualize it. Got it? One object moves from here to here. Distance. Divide by time, velocity. Correct? Divide again by time, acceleration. You are coming to the class, you are walking slowly because your speed is reducing. When you go back, you run. It is acceleration. Speed is increasing. Speed is reducing is called deceleration. Increasing is called acceleration. When an item is thrown from here, if I have to reach the fan, I will not throw from the bottom like this. Will I throw? I will come here and then throw. Why? Because I can use more force, not vertically, because I am pushing against gravity. So motion becomes simple when you have got a trajectory motion. That's why it is called a trajectory. Trajectory motion, if I want to throw, I have to throw from here, but after some time it comes down. It takes a path like this. Assume that you throw from here. You know how do you put satellite on top? We are not putting it straight like this up. It cannot go. What do? Assume from Goa you throw a stone. It go to South Goa. This is South Goa? Little more south it will go. Little more force you throw. Where it will go? Go to Mangalore. Little more force you throw. Where it will go? Go to Calicut. Another coastal. Little more force it will go to Kochi. Little more force it will go to Indian Ocean. Little more force it will go to Sri Lanka. Little more force it will go to Australia side. Little more force it will go to South Pole. Little more force it will go out of the globe. Are you seeing the globe? So once it goes out of the globe, I reach the sky. Understood? Don't think that we are sending satellites straight up like this. Projectile motion. Satellite is launched not straight like this. We throw out. Because if you want to throw, I cannot go there and throw like this. Easier to throw like this. Are you getting? I'll tell you, nobody will teach you how the rocket goes like this. Because I visualize. Once it goes out of 140 kilometers, friction is not there. Air is 140 kilometers. So my job is only throw the satellite 140 kilometers away. So it's already in the sky. So always in motion you learn friction. Correct? Why you are not able to learn that subject? You have one assignment. What you do is write down all the technical terms. Motion, friction. When you said motion, I said movement, which you cannot capture because you did not understand the real meaning. Got it? Motion, friction, velocity, speed, time. Write all the terminologies today as soon as you go. If you don't die in the tuition center. One place where you die is your tuition center, right? You can't escape. Your parents will not save you from it. Throughout life you will do this. There are people after BTech also they go to tuition. MBBS also they go to tuition. Once you start tuition, you cannot get out of this world. Because somebody is catching your cycle. Throughout life you have to cycle. Somebody catches, then only you can cycle. Suppose somebody leaves it, immediately you can cycle without catching. You will balance yourself. Got it? If you want to learn cycling, nobody should hold you. Somebody holds you, you always expect people to hold. If you have learned cycling only when somebody left you free, you learned it. You will start learning only when somebody leaves you to learn with some directions. That direction is what I mean. Write down all the technical terms, go to dictionary, look at the meaning. Finished. Physics is finished. Because you don't know the terminologies, you have problem. Kinetic energy, potential energy, free falling. Something is falling free. 9.8 meter per second square, Earth's gravity. What does it mean? If I put you from 9.8 meter, 9.8 meter, one floor is 3 meters. So third floor. This third or fourth? Third floor. Go to the terrace, put you down, tip. Exactly 1 second you will be on the ground. 9.8 meter per second square you are on the ground. That's gravity. Learn the gravity. That's how you learn gravity. Go to the top, jump. You learn gravity. Gravity is working. Now what gravity says? If you put this duster, you put this item, put one very massive person like you, everything will fall in 1 second. Weight doesn't matter. Understood? And there is another motion which is called a simple harmonic motion. What do? Take a string, then leave it from there, it goes like this. Now what do? What do I learn? Put a hook here, put a thread, jula, put me there, and then pull me up to the top there, leave it. What will happen? In the center only, you are leaving me from there. I will not hit on the wall because the motion goes there. Just a little before that it will go, and here when it comes it will go just below. Automatically after some time it will go and stand. It reduces more slowly. You know how this is being taught in some classes? The professor sits on the jula, asks the student, pull me there, other side knife is kept. And you know what the professor says? I have trust in physics, I have trust in my student. Why? Instead of just leaving it, push it, finished. I will die. Instead of pushing, leave it. The first word what I used is leave it. Only gravity works. If I push, extra force, external force. You have to learn physics like this. So read all the technical terms, read it once like this with visualization, Simple harmonic. Don't just write. Blah, 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 blah. See it. And now what do? Put a thread, put a ball, iron ball. Okay, or maybe your safety pin, little enough metal. Pull it like this and put a magnet there. Below that you put your telephone. Telephone also has magnet. Wherever sound is there, magnet will be. Put the magnet, you will see it goes motion like this, then automatically it will go like this. It's called chaotic motion. Whenever there is a magnet, it is not automatically stopping. Magnet is attracting, so it will get confused. Physics. And that is exactly what happens in your house also. You will go and come to the school like simple harmonic motion. Go and come like this. But some guest comes to your house, magnet, lot of disturbance at home, your delay will happen, somewhere something will happen, somebody will say, I'll drop you there, then drop you here. Chaotic motion. What is it called? Chaotic. Whatever principle you learn in physics, it can be seen in your house, seen in the society. So physics is called natural science. What is it called? Natural science. Drawing it and writing is mathematics. I cannot express physics without mathematics. Okay? Good enough? Time is up 2 o'clock. You are not thinking about Madhya Pradesh.